Hi there everyone and welcome to Brooks Motor Products. Today we have stock number 186682 on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier diesel all-wheel drive. The exterior color is storm blue. This model comes with 18-inch polished aluminum rims, chrome accents all the way around. Exterior features also include illuminating side mirrors. This model comes with a 2.4 liter diesel turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We'll take a look inside. Got automatic door locks, automatic windows, extra storage in the door, your power lift options and driver save settings, your electric driver's seat with lower lumbar support, your light settings here, your steering wheel features. You got your impact assist, cruise control, heated steering wheel, audio control settings, tire pressure monitoring in the dash. You got your 8-inch touchscreen display with AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, with automatic climate control with heated and cooled seats. You got your USB ports, auxiliary supports, charging ports. Got your cup holders up front, your parking brake here, and all the goodies that come along with it. The interior color is jet black with leather wrapped upholstery and a leather wrapped steering wheel. You also got your OnStar 4G LTE network ready, as well as the panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the back, and all your options are right above the rearview mirror. Take a look in the back. You got your power windows, power locks, plenty of leg room, 60/40 split bench seats, as well as the folding armrest cup holder in the center. You can press this button here to get the seats to fold down for extra storage. This unit also has some accessories. This unit also has a power lift gate. You press the button twice on the key fob and it opens automatically for you. Take a closer look inside. You can see we got plenty of storage space. You lift this here and you got your spare tire underneath there with extra storage space as well. And you can press this button and it also closes by itself for you. So there we have it. That concludes stock number 186682 on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier diesel all-wheel drive. And again, the exterior color is storm blue.